guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the brand new brand by Patrick Starrr. It's called One Size Beauty. I have it right here. So Patrick launched with a makeup remover wipe. Let's show you. Okay, makeup remover wipe, jumbo size, okay, and a makeup remover dissolving mist. Let's just start here, okay? So when I first got this in PR, I was like, a dissolving mist? Like what? That's just one extra step to my routine. I don't need it, you know? And then I tried it and I was like, oh, okay, that's pretty cute. Okay, I tried it without the wipe first and just rubbed it in. I was like, oh, rinse it off. My makeup came off. I was like, this is kind of cute. And then I tried this with the jumbo size wipe. Only had to use one wipe, not even the full wipe. And I was like, oh, okay. And then I went back to my Neutrogena wipes because I'm like a Neutrogena wipe kind of girl. And every time I use Neutrogena wipes, I have to use like 3. Not even kidding, sometimes 4. You know, it depends on how much makeup I had on. So when I use One Size Beauty, I do notice that if I spray on the dissolving makeup remover, I only need 1 wipe. Okay? So I'm not mad at it. At first I was like, I don't know about that, but now I'm like, she's cute, real cute. So about 3 weeks to a month after Patrick launched the makeup removers, we have a palette. Okay, this is actually a pretty neutral palette. I was surprised because, I don't know, Patrick wears a lot of makeup, I guess. And I was just expecting, not in a bad way, but you know, looks. We have plenty of looks. So I think I was expecting a lot of bold colors, but I love this. You guys know I'm like a neutral person. Like I love neutrals every day. I love having a dark neutral smoky eye. Like I feel like that just looks the best on my skin tone, and I'm just obsessed with it. I'm a neutral girl, okay? So when I saw this palette, I was like, ooh, she is real cute. I kind of like just the tones of everything. I like how the green is more of like an olive green. I also love that there's mattes across the top. So you have like your daytime matte look, day to night. And then you also have a gold look going down, a rose gold look that's more matte. Well, I guess this is like a terracotta matte look. Rose gold, greens, blues. So I feel like the palette was put together really nicely and they really thought about like the schematics of it, because this just makes sense. Like, oh, I have a look here, 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 and then I also can wear these colors together and these. And so it was definitely well thought out, and there's a mirror at the top here. I also like that the palette has this little edge so you can easily lift it up. It's just a well thought out palette. I can't wait to try it. When I first got the makeup remover wipes, I was like, okay, yeah, I'll try it, blah, blah, blah. But when I got the palette and the eyeliners and the liquid glitters, I was like, we have to do a review, honey. YouTube needs to see this, okay? So not only did Patrick launch the eyeshadow palette, the makeup remover, we have eyeliners, a brown and a black. We also have a liquid eyeliner that's in a red. At first I thought this was a red lip liner. No, it's a black liquid eyeliner. And then we have these guys over here. These are liquid, kind of like glittery shadows. What's the correct name? So eye poppers. Okay, these are eye poppers, so you can wear this by themselves or you can put them over a shadow for extra pop. Okay, we have a lot of stuff going on here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a look using the Visionary palette. I'm going to use the eyeliners. I'm pretty much going to use a little bit of everything so you guys can kind of judge for yourself if you like this brand or not. I mean, I think you are. The swatches were beautiful. I mean, I feel like it's just a really pretty brand so far. I'm here for it. So without further ado, let's get started. Hello, I did my foundation obviously off camera. I used the Pretty Fresh Hydrating foundation from Colourpop, and I mix it with the new NARS Soft Matte Complexion. This is very matte, very matte. Like by itself, I'm like, whoa. Like, it's a little too matte for me by itself, but I love mixing it with a hydrating foundation. And then I, of course, have my Makeup Forever concealer. Brows are KVD. Bronzer is the NARS, however you say this, Quirimba. All right, so there's so many different options with this palette. I really, really want to use this blue because I haven't done blue in a while, but I don't want like a dramatic blue smoky eye or blue in the crease. No. So what I think I'm gonna do, what I know I'm gonna do is, of course, up in here on the lid crease, and then we're gonna put the blue underneath because I haven't done that in like ages, honey. Ages. All right, so I'm gonna start with Booked in the crease. Originally I was gonna do this, but I tried this the other day and it kind of blends in with my skin tone. It's almost like a little bit lighter, so if I put it in the crease, it's just gonna like blend in. So we're gonna do Booked, okay? Load up that brush. I'm just gonna kind of press in the crease, make sure all the product kind of gets off the brush. So I like to press it in so that I don't have fallout on my cheeks. Y'all know about fallout, okay? We all do. I forgot to tell you guys, there's also a one size mirror. It says, ooh, it was messy down there, one size fits all. So yeah, you can also get a nice handheld mirror. So next I'm gonna apply Brownie, okay, in the crease, this shade right here. I always layer colors in the crease from light to dark. For me, it's just an easy way to blend them. I love this though. You guys know what I like. Y'all know. Let's see how this looks. You can always tell the quality of an eyeshadow if it blends well when it's on top of another color. So look at her. So I'm just kind of pressing the color on with my smaller Sigma blending brush. And then I'm gonna go back to my larger brush and kind of just blend it out. And when you get to the outer edge here, I like to kind of bring it out versus, you know, curling it in. Like we like this type of movement up in here. I actually like that this brown is kind of more neutral. I don't know if you can see it, like the darker brown's a little bit more neutral. I feel like I have so many like warm browns. Yeah, we like that. So next I'm gonna apply Walnut Strut. This color, it's so pretty. I'm gonna use a brush. If I need to, I'll use my finger. See how she looks. Ooh, yes. Ooh, creamy too. Not actually creamy, but it's going on like super smooth. All right, and then on the inside of my eye, like right in here, I'm gonna apply one of the eye poppers because they're so pretty. This is Pea House. So I'm just gonna apply this right on the inside here just to give like a little pop. Oh, I like these. Like I wasn't expecting it to be like that sparkly. I wonder if I should put a little bit of this, a darker shade, in Everything and More on my lid over the shadow. Should we just do it? Okay, let's do it. Ooh, this one's like rose goldy. Well, they look so much, I feel like, better over shadow. Like they look super pigmented. My eyes look wet. Let me let that dry for a second. Anytime I put like a liquid shadow on, I'll just make sure to look down so it doesn't get in my crease. Let it dry for a minute. While that's drying, I'm gonna line the top eye. Might as well since I have to look down. So this is Patrick Starr's liquid eyeliner. The brush is a little bit more stiff, so you'll feel like you have more control over it versus like, you know, some brushes you apply it and it's like a full-on like brush. This is more of like a stiff like doe foot. I don't know the name of it. You guys can see it here. Which is a little more user-friendly if you ask me. Wing her out a little bit. I feel like my eye looks best with this size wing. Like anything over this, it's like, whoa, it's just, I don't know, it's a little too much. I like a little mini wing. Okay, let's add just a tiny bit of this black in the outer corner just because might as well show y'all everything, all the tea. Let's see, I'm just gonna put it right on the outer corner here. I usually do the crease before the eyeliner, but after I put the liner on, I was like, I think we can go a little darker. All right, now I'm gonna line the inside of my eye with Busty Brown. I'm gonna line the inside and under the lash line. I'm still gonna apply the blue, but I like the blue shadow to like stick to something, so we're gonna do brown. Ooh, see, I even like it like this. You guys know I love this. All right, now I'm gonna grab my angled brush and I'm just gonna dip Blue Mondu. I don't know, it's like French. Mondu. Blue Mondu. Under the lash line. I like to press it on first because I don't want fallout. That brown liner definitely darkened the mood here. Ooh. All right, new lash alert. These are Solar Flare from Rokael Beauty. I love these lashes. They're so wispy. They fit the eye perfectly. I just had to cut off a tiny bit. Look at that. So always apply the adhesive, let it sit for like 30 seconds or so and then apply them. And definitely use tweezers, y'all know. I'm also gonna curl these a little bit once the adhesive dries. All right, this is Smashbox Golden Bronze Bronzer, and I'm just gonna apply this on my cheeks here. A little golden look, my nose. I guess I just kind of like put this all over. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of Honest Beauty Frisky blush. I've used this once before, so let's see. And I feel like I wasn't sure about it, but we gonna see. Let's see here. There's a little color. Okay. All right, now that the lashes are dry, I'm gonna add a little bit of the Marc Jacobs mascara. This is a lengthening mascara. I really like this for my false lashes because it's kind of a thin brush, so it's easy to blend my lash with the falsies. All right, I forgot to curl. Let me curl them real quick. So I'm curling my lash and the falsies. This just lifts the lash a little bit. Ooh, this is really cute. I'm gonna finish off the look with Limitless Brown lip liner. And then this is Patrick Starr's She's Single lipstick. We're doing a nude lip, of course. My favorite. All right, and then we're gonna finish off the look with the Bobbi Brown Sweet Talk lip gloss. This is kind of a sheer lip gloss. Ooh, ooh. All right, guys, here is the finished look. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I feel like the eyeshadow palette did not disappoint. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy this. I think one of my favorite products from One Size Beauty is probably the eye toppers. I know, I'm kind of surprised with this. I was like, oh, it'll probably be, you know, the eyeshadow palette, but I really love these. You can see they're super glossy, shimmery. They dried pretty quickly. They didn't transfer anywhere. You know, these things like to transfer in the crease, no transferring. And I just love how my makeup looks. I think the brand is definitely worth checking out. If you're looking for a new neutral eyeshadow palette, boom, right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this review tutorial. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And last but not least, strut and slay.